Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipe and ideas, or you can make yourself healthy smoothie, healthy drink, and healthy food and healthy recipe. This morning we make you a nice lovely drink with strawberry. We got spinach, ginger, apple, you name it. Everything is just natural water. And you blend that and drink it in the morning, guys. Good for you. Thank you so much for watching the show. And listen, share, like, and subscribe. And remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Beautiful. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. It's amazing. Anyway, this morning we want to make you a nice, lovely, fruity smoothie with a lot of different kind of ingredients into it. I always use my spinach. I have a large handful of spinach which I'm going to put in it like this. Yeah, look at that. That's all the spinach I'm putting inside of it. This is some blueberry. I'm going to put in some blueberry also. This is some frozen blueberry, fresh frozen blueberry. Strawberry. And ginger, a large portion of ginger. Peel off, remove the skin. Straight inside of it. Green apple. And then put that straight inside of it. One large apple. And as you can see, seeds. Remove the seeds. Squeeze some lemon juice. Get the flavor from the lemon. Then I'm gonna put some honey, 1 teaspoon of honey. Half glass of water. Blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Right? Nice and lovely. So I just finished blend it, and look at this. Really nice. Look at the color. Beautiful. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the team. And that's how we make a nice lovely smoothie in the morning, which you can have before your breakfast. And all of these ingredients is just a healthy recipe and good for you. Thank you so much, guys. I hope we can come with more better juice in the future, so stay tuned as Chef Ricardo makes his natural juice. Remember to subscribe, share, and tell a friend and a friend. Tell a friend to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And we say, wait, what? Love you all, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.